Welcome.
The speed of this single-disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized
Hello guys, welcome to join our living rooms. This is Wade, and we are here maybe talk about how to start paper cup making business. And let's begin. If you have any question about it, you can send our question here, and we will to check out your question and help you to find out the solution here.
This single-disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single-disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single-disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single-disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single-disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to join our living rooms, Oliver. And this is Wade. We are here to talk about how to start a paper cup making business here. If you have any question about how to start the paper cup making business, or you have any question about the paper cup making machine, the paper raw material, you also can send to here. We are here to support you.
cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting.
And thinking to start paper cup making business, we will be here to support you. And here we have some detailed project guide and how to start paper cup making business with the project cost, the machine, the requirement material, and profit mapping, and so on. Hello guys, welcome to join us, the God. Right, welcome to join us. And if you are thinking to start your business, the paper glass business is a good option for you. The manufacturer of the paper cups or glass is
有买家进入直播间了。
friendly, and it benefits the environmental as well. Hello, Smash, welcome to join us. Customer from agent. Now we are talking about something how to start the paper cup making business. If you have any question, you can send to here. And also the paper cup can be destroyed, but the plastic cups and glasses cannot be destroyed, which are also harmful to environmental and health as well. Like the step to start the paper cup making business. If you are interested in the paper cup making business, that you must understand how this industry works and how you can make the difference from your effort and understanding. Every business requires investment planning and willpower to achieve success. So it maybe have some steps to successfully start your paper cup brand, like analyzing markets and who will be your potential customers in your local markets, and thinking about investment and planning execution. Let us talk about the first one. The market potential of paper cup making business. If you know the pollution keeps increasing and the plastic has been banned by the Indian government as well, because of that, many small and bigger plastic product making industries are switching to paper-based products. Along with the fast-changing lifestyles, the paper cups are highly used in the tea shops, the coffee shops, hotels, markets, educational institutions, food canteens, as well as in the wedding parties. The demand for paper plants and cups is increasing rapidly.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello guys, welcome to join our living streams. And also, these paper cups looks beautiful and attractive with different types of design and doesn't cause harmful to the environmental due to its eco-friendly nature. After considering those factors, we can see that starting a small paper cup making plan is highly profitable. As we all know, in our daily lives, the paper plants of cups and many paper products have more and more widely used in our daily lives, and the plastic one has been instead of the paper one. It will be a good thing for you to begin the paper cup making business at this time. And if you begin this later, maybe you will lose the chance to you may lose the chance to expand your paper cup making business in your local market at the beginning. So the first time you should to check about the marketing potential of the paper cup making business, and you may can check around in your local market to find out which types paper cup will be more popular in your local market. and maybe you can check about the size, the printing, the thickness, more details for paper cups, and you can read back those details to us so we can help you to decide the best cups or offer you the most suitable paper cups.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello guys, welcome to join our living streams here this week, and now we are talking about the first step of the paper cup making business, the marketing potential of paper cup making business. If you have any question about this part, you can send the question here, and we will waiting you several times. After it, we will move to the next step to the plan for paper cup making business.
From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup
Voila!
is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and
问你啊，
different size
就
paper
是
cups.
我现在有点尴尬，我就发一些这些给他看，
Body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom
我就
Yeah.
OK。
shading forming.
Okay.
Finally,
Yes,
it is
I see.
adsorbed to the final receiving part.
How's your week? I find a few pictures to you. You can combine the.
Quantitatively.
Hi, it was nice. Yes, I see.
有买家进入直播间了。
所以
Hello
所以他有喜欢的，所以他自己有印刷。
他就说想用我们之前做过
The
的，
speed of this single disc
他不
paper
想
cup
考虑
machine
嗯
is 60 to 80 pieces
他可
per
能尺
minute.
寸那些他也不想
It。adopts cam conduction and covers different size
那我
paper
这个时候
cups
可以直接发什
different
么
size molds.
尺寸给他吗？
From cup body forming
还是说让他选几个印刷？
to cup bottom fitting,
之
shading
前做
forming.
过的，不
Finally,
是说那些
it is
就是客户
adsorbed
的
to the final receiving part through our pipeline.
吗？
The material
之
is
前
set
客
to
户
be
做过的一
discharged
些，
quantitatively.
就是那个群里啊，那瑞顺群里不是有很多图案吗？对啊，那个可以拿来用啊，瑞顺群。
说尺寸吗？
Cup machine
不是啊，印
is
刷
60 to 80 pieces per minute. It
给
adopts
发了很多啦。
and covers
然后呢？
different size paper
他说就这些。
through different size molds.
有买家进入直播间了。
那所以你要跟他说，就是说
Ceiling
我
to
有
cup bottom
你又可以跟他说，
shading forming.
我们很了解你是第一次开始这个生意，可能没有一些特殊的印刷馆，
And the
然后
material is set to
你也
be
可能想要
discharged
从
to
很多的印刷馆开始，但是这会产生很多的印刷版
and
费
the。product quality
然后你
is
你
guaranteed.
问一下，就是你可以问一下你能不能从中选择其中选择1到2个先开始。
可以，我知道
The。single disc paper cup machine
就是
is 60 to 80
就是
pieces
说
per minute. It adopts
什么？
cam conduction and covers
你这样
different size paper cups through different size
怎么
molds.
说呢？
From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading
还有
forming.
选，
Finally, it is
看
had
你看
to
你这
the
选，
final receiving part through our pipeline. And the
他要不
material
就
is
说
set
就
to
让
be
我们
discharged
钱
quantitatively.
卖出去。
The equipment is stable and the product quality is
要么这
guaranteed.
个这哪个都可以啊。就比如说我们不是有2.5期那些我们印刷版不都有吗？在工厂。
Single disc
对啊，你就可以把那些放。
假如说他就随便要2
80
个，
pieces per minute.
随便要2个，然后我们直接套用到
有买家进入直播间了。
零现成的那个尺寸上面。
Through different
不是，
size
我是指那些印刷版我们在工厂不是现有的吗？
edge
这样那些印刷版费都不需要了呀。
fitting,
哦，
shading
对哦。
forming.
可是他如果又说想拼在同一个板上，
The final receiving part
想拼在同一个板上，那还是要。
and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively.
他上次不是说想不同的设计
And the
在一个
product
板上吗？
quality is guaranteed.
你虽然不同的设计，但是你也得保持颜色是一致啊。你如果颜色不一致，你还是要用到很多个版。
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute.
啊，对，
It adopts cam
对。
conduction and covers different
对啊，
size
你颜色不多，你版费还是一样贵的
different。size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing
版费就1
to
点钱。
cup bottom fitting.
不是，你要给他表达出就是你要给他表达出这个，让他从中选几1到2个，不然
And the material
不然
is
你
set
这样
to
你
be
一直给他选下去，他都选不出来。
The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed.
对吧？
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per
你
minute.
知道它最后的用处是
It
最
adopts
后想要用在哪里吗？
conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds.
How about the final usage, Sam?
Edge sealing
Final
to
usage.
cup bottom fitting.
How about the final usage？
Finally, it is
然
had
后
to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment
那我
is
可以跟他说，我说你选几个颜色
is
相近的。
guaranteed.
有买家进入直播间
然后
了。
你就是了解一下它的 final usage，然后你就可以给它选
The
一
speed of
个
this
2个
single
的，
disc paper cup machine
是吧？如果它是要那个，
他不 care final
It adopts cam conduction
他
and
们就是
covers
说要
different
你
size paper cups through different
那你
size
就把我们之前那个2.570的发给他，
edge sealing.
就说这是我们就是说这是我们最近现出的。
现出的
Finally, it is had to the final receiving part through our pipeline.
瑞肯
And the material is set to
不
be
是那个是
discharged quantitatively. The
我们
equipment is
上次不是去发了2次货吗？
quality is guaranteed.
那几个版不都可以给他用吗？他只要保持尺寸是一样的。我们模具图也有，然后那个
The speed of
印
this
刷版也有，
disc
那我可以发这
paper
几个
cup
图。
machine
可以啊。
is 60 to 80 pieces
What?
per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup
你是
body
指
forming,
直接是那
edge
种
sealing to cup bottom fitting, shading forming.
为什么想发？
Finally, it is had toward the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively.
什么？
The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts CAM conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged
原先
quantitatively.
用这个手机的
The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed.
就是这个手机号原先肯定是有别人用过的，然后是
The
经过
speed
什么
of
货
this
代
single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute.
不
It
是说这
adopts
种是
CAM
别的客户
conduction
说
and
这
covers
种
different
用
size
它
paper
这
cups
个是通
different
版呀
size。molds.
如果是客户自己，如果是客户自己的，那肯定不能给他发呀。但这个不是客户自己的，是我们的呀。
Finally, it is adsorbed
Sam
to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is
这是
guaranteed.
我们工厂现有的呀。
就是说，就现有的，而且是已经有成交客户是要这些，做已经运
The
出去
speed
的。
of this single
那
disc
就是说，这
paper
个
cup
有没有
machine
一个收入的
is
地
60
方？
to 80 pieces per minute.
就比
It
如说，
adopts CAM
比如说
conduction and
我
covers
们的
different
通用
size
版有
paper
这么多
cups
颜色的
through
版，
different size
然后有一
molds.
些是，也是我们的已经成交的客户
Edge
选
sealing
用的。
to cup
Yeah.
bottom fitting,
那这种
shading forming.
已成交的这
Finally,
些，
it is adsorbed to the final
被骗。
receiving part through our
肯定是
pipeline.
带有尺寸什么的，
And the
对
material
吧
is？set to be
他们有没有
discharged
集中在一
quantitatively.
个什么地方？
The equipment is stable and the product
集
quality
中在一
is
个什么件
guaranteed.
夹里？
我没有 get 到。
The speed
好的。
of this single disc paper cup machine
你看，就是
is
就
60
比如
to
说，
80 pieces per
像我给
minute.
他发的这么
It
多
adopts CAM conduction
通
and
用
covers
版，对
different
吧？
size paper
然后
cups
肯定
through
不是
different
说，
size molds.
肯定不是说里面都是有客户用过的，
Edge
有一些
sealing
只是工厂发
to
下来的
cup
图嘛
bottom。fitting,
那我
shading
那
forming.
也会有个别几个是我们客户成交的客户他们选用的嘛？
Receiving part through
那
our
选用出来的
pipeline.
有
And
没
the
有一个
material is set to be discharged
结
quantitatively.
合？
没有，
The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed.
就是客户印刷图案的归档呗，肯定是自己归档啊。我那里有很多，
The
就是以
speed
前
of
墨
this
西哥客户
single
的
disc
有要的
paper
印刷图案
machine
我都有。
is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts CAM conduction and covers different size paper cups
假如说你有下一个客户碰到这样子的，他
from
说
cup body forming,
想
edge
就
sealing
用你之前
to
给
cup
其他客
bottom
户。
fitting.
如果是客户自己的印刷图案，我是不会给
Finally,
的。
it is
如果
对对对，
如果是工厂有的图案，那我给他没有关系。
and the
就是
material
归
is
档
set
这
to
些
be
你会一定发给
discharged
他，
quantitatively.
让他选。
The equipment is stable and the
我
product
首先我肯定
quality
会
is
问他有没有印刷
guaranteed.
图案，如果他没有印刷图案的话，我就会把这些发给他。
对啊，然后他下一步说他想要你之前做过的，
那我就找一些之前是工厂印刷提供的印刷图案的，然后客户也有的就好。
It adopts
就是
CAM
这个
conduction
归档
and
没有
covers different size paper cups
没
through
有。
different size molds.
我们之前基本都是客户自己的印
Edge
刷，
sealing
哦，
to
只有这几个是
shading
懂。
Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline.
所以我可以发给他。
And the
你可以发那
material is
三个，
set to be discharged
底下三个可以的，这个估计也不太
The
行。
equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed.
有买家进入直播间了。
应该有问题。母鸡，
那我就先拿这几个给客户
Speed of this single
浏览一下，然后我跟他说，
is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts CAM conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds.
129T 日
From cup body
写标
forming,
识。
edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally,
那是
it
不
is
是
adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the
假如说
product quality is
就是
guaranteed.
给他看过这样的一张图之后，然后呢，他再去，假如说里面又看了一下，
嗯哼，
看 选中哪个设计，
The speed of
然
this
后我们
single
再拿
disc
给工厂
paper
去
cup
做
machine
做成这样的一个
60
排
to
版的
80 pieces per
嗯
minute.
是吧？
It adopts
okay.
cam conduction and covers different size
那我就
paper
现在给它
cups
称一下，
through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing,
假如说拿着这个给他的
bottom
话，
fitting,
不
shading
需要收他
forming.
版费。
Finally, it is add
只要他用一模一样的尺寸，
and the material is set to be
我们在工厂
discharged
这边有版，
quantitatively.
有版就不
The
用。
equipment is
就不用
stable
了，
and the product
就
quality
是
is
就
guaranteed.
是正常收费，
哎
因为这些版都是一次性收费的。
OK，
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine,
那我接下来就是去找瑞顺的有版的图。
it adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups
有买家进入直播间了。
确定
from cup body forming, edge sealing to cup bottom
这
fitting.
些图估计瑞雪都有版。
Finally, it is
这些
added
都有。
to the final receiving part through our pipeline.
这里
Discharged quantitatively.
只要是瑞顺发在他自己手里，他应该都有版。
Quality is
但是前提是
guaranteed.
你得保持尺寸的一致。
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. The material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the
有没有在公共台？
quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per
你要
minute.
瑞顺什么？
It adopts cam conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds.
即使找了瑞顺，
Body forming,
你万一最后不在瑞顺下
to
单，
cup
那
bottom
你还要收版。
shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively.
所以怎么样
The equipment
就
is
是涉
stable
及到版
and
费
the
问题，
product
是概率
quality
非
is
常大的。
guaranteed.
是的，是的。Now guys, welcome to doing our living streams here.
版费大概是
The
多少？
speed of this single disc paper cup machine
有买家进入直播间了。
根据印刷的
adopts cam
印
conduction
刷的
and
图案的
covers
大小
different size
颜
paper
色，
cups through
这个
different
还挺
size
复习
molds.
的。
From cup body forming,
因为版是
edge
按
sealing,
平
to
方
cup bottom fitting,
算清楚，
shading forming.
每平方多少钱？
Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The
假如说他
equipment
就
is
是问
stable
你一个
and
问
the
题，
product quality is guaranteed.
什么面积，什么色最便宜？
啊？
就什么版费最便宜？
The speed of this single disc paper cup
没有
machine
印刷这个，
is 60 to 80
就是说有印刷的情况下，
It
单色某
adopts
单色
cam
非满版
and
某，
covers different
单色
size
非满版
paper cups through
就印
different
个 logo
size
什么的嘛。
From cup body forming, edge sealing,
那这种
to
就会贵一
cup
点。
bottom fitting, shading forming.
这个比这个
Finally,
这是两三个哎。
the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed.
你光在这里和你教学，我已经
The
已
speed
经
of
30
the
分钟
single
了。
disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute.
荣幸之
It
至，
adopts
荣
cam
幸之至。
conduction and covers different
干
size
嘛？你这
paper
么不
cups
乐意，我
through
就
different
放
size
吧。
我没有不乐意啊，我游戏机器呀、
forming, edge
这个
sealing
很巨，
to cup
这个也不巨，但是这个是满版印刷。
哎，满版，它的问
Finally,
题
it is adsorbed to
突
the
然发
final
现单色
receiving
的满版
part
印
through
刷
our pipeline.
不是说之前不是说满版会怎样？
Discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable
版
and the product
对对，
quality is guaranteed.
就是啥？
印刷成型的时候，
对啊， 满码会对成型有什么影响？
The speed of this single
顶多
disc
就是有
paper
些
cup
墨
machine
有可能有点
is
墨
60
不好
to 80 pieces
但
per
是
minute.
这些都会留白的呀。
It adopts CAM conduction and covers different size paper cups through different
如果
size
是要跟客户讲这个东西，
cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. And the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment
不
is
是，我
stable
怕他又有什么
quality
东
is
西
guaranteed.
是不对的，他又要让我盖章。我今天已经盖了3次给他了，我都不好意思再盖。
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine
And now let us move to the next step is planning for paper cup making business.
covers different size
Before starting any business, it is necessary to plan for its success. A well-right plan acts as a roadmap for your business. It should be prepared for all the investment made in the business. For example, installation,
discharged quantitatively.
investment of machinery, area rent, raw material, expense on employees, expense on the marketing of the business, and acts. So there are no problem with starting a business.
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts CAM conduction and covers different size paper cups through different size molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is adsorbed to the final receiving part through our pipeline. The material is
哦，哇，果然我又要改。Damn。
and the product quality
Can I have a question? Ask a question.
说
那假如说它这个蓝色的满版，它这个蓝色的满版跟它只有一个蓝色的 logo，其他都白的，这个是距一点，会距大概范围在多少内？你头上怎么红了？
我抠了一下，
不会是撞的吧？
不是，
喝酒放的吧？
不是，我滴酒的。
然后呢？100人民币。润顺只是一个紫薇片的供应商是吧？是吧？但是我们现在跟他合作的多吗？
有几次吧，反正应该超过这个数。
那通常我们现在跟谁合作？跟耀，跟耀有合作。
嗯，
跟耀有合作吗？
有买家进入直播间了。
我同版的。我告诉你，这些工厂给你的最后给你的答复都是最好客户你自己能看不是同不同版啊，主要是他们的版都是根据客户的需求来的。就比如说你这个版，它不可能就是你这个版可能回推不回去到一个纸杯，反正我也不确定。我说呢？我只能说，我只能说我不太确定，因为真的这个版
有买家进入直播间了。
取决于你要知道客户的印刷图案要多大，好吧？而且这个版费就是很小的一个价格。
好的。
speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is
let's us move to the next step, the paper cup making business costs. The paper cup making business investment can be divided into two categories: fixed investment and variable investment. The fixed investment, including the purchasing machine, building the workshop, and the most raw materials. The biggest cost for begin the paper cup making business is.
有买家进入直播间了。
Our guys, welcome to join our living streams here. The biggest cost is to building or to buy a workshop. That will be a big cost for paper cup making business. And then you should to buy some machine and raw material. The machine also have different types like the low speed, medium speed, and high speed. The low speed will the cost will around 7,000 to 9,000, and the medium speed will be around 12,000 to 15,000, and the high speed will arrive 30,000. For the raw materials, it also has some different types like the paper bottle and the jump rope. The paper boat and the jump rope will have the cost will be same. And another one is a paper fan. The paper fan final price based on the paper brand, paper printing, and the P film is single film or double film. And then you also should to purchase clothes for employees, the water bill, and so those are some costs for paper cup making business at the beginning.
The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized
Yo.
molds. From cup body forming, edge sealing, to cup bottom fitting, shading forming. Finally, it is edged through the final receiving part through our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup machine.
有买家进入直播间了。
Our guys, welcome to join our living rooms. We are majoring the paper cup making machine and offer the raw materials. If you wanna gain the paper cup making business, you can send your contract number here, and we will add you and help you to find the best solution here.
Our pipeline, and the material is set to be discharged quantitatively. The equipment is stable and the product quality is guaranteed. The speed of this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts cam conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. this single disc paper cup machine is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. It adopts can conduction and covers different sized paper cups through different sized molds. From cup body